Did you do yourself one time now? Yeah. Oh. Then what happened? Beautiful. Yay! Oh, what you do that? Oh, yeah. Yeah, very good. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Yes. Hi, how are you? I'm 3 months old. And my name is Joy. What's your name? Lord, you're lovely. Good job. Say goodbye. Bye, folks. Say goodbye. See you later. See you next time. See you around. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.